Today I have in my shop a Volkswagen. It's a T6, it's the 2019 model. I will show you how to remove the door panel and also the window. In order to remove the door panel, you need to remove this trim. Underneath you'll have two Torx T30. You will have another Torx T20 there. On the bottom you will have two plastic screws. You need to turn it from horizontal to vertical. I will use this tool to pop up the clips. Pry a little bit, find where the clips are and push. Pull it upward. Push this. This is your door panel. One clip is still on the door. Now I will take the window down. I need to remove this plastic cup and also this one. Now I'll take the window down until the screws reaches those holes. You need a 10mm socket. You don't need to remove those completely, just you need to loosen them up a little bit. I will roll the window completely. And that's it, guys. This is how you remove your door panel and your window from your T6 from 2019. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and see you next time with another removal video.